spacious looking living area, nice and spacious. So granite platforms, and this is the master bedroom. Very beautifully it's been made up. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and today we are here at Mittal Elenza by Mittal Universal Group, which is located at Kogilu Main Road, North Bangalore. So we are going to do this project sample flat tour. Well, regarding the project, we are going to know a lot in detail. But first, let us know what is Housey. Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects the customers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. That means the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms whereby if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers. And what's the result? You get a lot of calls. Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform where the listing is done directly by the developer. So do not go here and there. Book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. So talking about the project, so this project Mittal Elenza by Mittal Universal Group, which is located at Kogilu Main Road, North Bangalore. It is going to be developed on 1.5 acres of land parcel having ground plus 13 floors. Now talking about the location, so this is situated at Kogilu Main Road, which is in North Bangalore. And when we talk about the connectivity, so Kogilu Metro Station is just 800 meters from this project, as well as if you talk about schools and colleges, so just within a reach of 200 meters to up to 4 to 5 kilometers, you get good schools and colleges as well. When we talk about healthcare, hospitals, so just within a reach of 3 to 4 kilometers, we get hospitals at an easy connectivity. Also, when we talk about malls, so just within a reach of 4 to 5 kilometers, you get good malls as well, like Galleria Mall, Garuda Mall, etc. And when we talk about business hubs, so just within a reach of 3 to 8 kilometers, you get good business hubs as well. So like employment opportunities are also great over here. And now let's talk about the amenities part. So this project offers you 16 plus amenities like multi-purpose court, swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area, sky games room, a jogging track, senior citizen area, pets corner, as well as many more wonderful amenities. So without any delay, let's go and see how the project is. Let's go. So right now I'm standing outside the 2.5 BHK sample flat of Mittal Elenza by Mittal Universal Group, which is of 1405 square feet, super built up area. So let's go inside and see how the sample flat is. Let's go. So as we enter, here is a small passage area that's been given, so that's really nice. So you can just have your shoe rack or anything that you want to store over here. And as we enter, on our right is the mini bedroom or the half bedroom that you can say. Let's come inside and see how it is. So these white French windows have been given and a small cute room has been given. You can make this like your study or your office space or a kid's bedroom, and here also there is a place for your wardrobe as well. So it is totally on you how you want to customize this half bedroom for you. And now let's go and see the remaining flat. So wow, look at this. This is the beautiful, spacious looking living area. Here is a seating area that's been given. A 6-seater dining area has been given over here. And here is the cherry on the cake. That is the balcony, which I want you to see. Wow, a nice, big, wide looking balcony with an amazing city view outside. And since this is on the main road, so like everything, every connectivity is really very I mean, you know, near from here. So right, you go outside and there you find everything. So now let's go and see the kitchenette area. So here an open kitchen has been given, so that's really very nice because it makes the house look even more nice and spacious. So granite platforms are here, and here is the utility area. I want you to come and see the utility area. So nice storage space has been given in the utility area for your storage items, and quite a nice big area, I can say. And now let's go and see bedroom number 1. So as we go to the bedroom number 1, there is a nice passage area here as well. And here on our left is the toilet area. Anti-skid tiles have been given, high-end sanitary fittings have been given, and in the entire house vitrified tiling has been given, so that's really great. And now let's go and see the bedroom number 1. Nice cute looking bedroom. So basically this is bedroom number 1, and that was the half bedroom, and now we will be going to the master bedroom. So this is also like a nice cozy bedroom with wide French sliding windows that have been given, so that's really very great. And now let's go and see the master bedroom, which is the bedroom number 2. And before that, let us know what does Housey actually do for us. Well, let me tell you that in Housey, you get to know the actual location tour. We give you the sample flat tours as well. We also let you know the pros and cons of every project, like why is this project good for you? Why is this project not good for you? Why you should invest in a particular project? We also let you know the 360 degrees virtual project tour. Wow, what can be better than this? And we also give you the all-inclusive pricing, including EMI and down payment details as well. And if after all of this you like the project, then in 3 simple clicks you can go and book your free site visit. So if you like this project, you can just click on the link mentioned in the description and go and quickly book your free site visit. And now let's go and see the master bedroom. So as we enter, here is a nice passage area that's been given. Passage area is also very much important to make the house look even more spacious. And this is the master bedroom. Very beautifully it's been made up. This is how beautifully you can make it too. Separate sections have been given for wardrobe over here. This is customized as per their requirements, but you can also customize it as per your requirements and needs. So here a separate space has been given for your TV. Wardrobes have been given here, so enough space is there for your storage. Wide sliding French windows have been given, so that's really very nice. And now let's go and see the washroom area. Wow, so a nice big spacious washroom, I must say, has been given over here with anti-skid tiles, sliding these windows for your ventilation, as well as high-end sanitary fittings. So yes, this was the 2.5 BHK sample flat tour of Mittal Elanza by Mittal Universal Group, located in Kogallu Main Cross Road, North Bangalore. How did you like it? Let us know in the comment section. You can also download the e-brochure of this project by clicking on the link mentioned in the description. And if you want more details about this project or any other project, then you can register yourself on housey.com. And lastly, you know the drill. Subscribe to our channel Housey, like this video, share this video, and let us know in the comment section which more site videos would you like to see. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye and take care.
So everyone, this was a 2.5 BHK sample flat tour of residential project Mittal Elanza, located in Kogallu Main Road by Mittal Universal Group. If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.